y'all, it's me, Mika, aka Curly Monroe here, and I am back with another try-on haul. This time, girl, you want some Yeezy season for cheap? For the low? I have some Yeezy dupes from Missguided that I ordered yesterday and they came today. That's great shipping on Missguided. I picked a few pieces that definitely are basically dupes of Yeezy season 6, and let's go ahead and talk about it. All the links will be below in the description box if you guys want to check out these items while I'm talking about them, or after, or whatever. You know, you might need to go cop some before it sells out again. As always, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button below. Don't forget to thumbs this video up if you like hauls. Girl, I got a haul playlist if you want to just sit, get some tea, maybe pop some popcorn. I got you. Alright, that's enough talking. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to talk about is this like baby tee. I'm going to call it a baby tee. I don't know if that's what it's called. It's called a quarter sleeve tee. I call it like a baby tee because it's like tight and little. Now, I got this in a size 14. I think most of my sizes are 14s and 12s, which I will specify. But it's thin material, but it's super comfy and lightweight. So it is perfect for summer, so you won't be like hot and sweaty. I know we nowhere near summer. Summer is coming. It fits nice and comfy. I actually really like this tee. I'm kind of wondering if I should have went up to a 16 just because it is really snug, and I like my tees to be snug but not too snug, if you know what I mean. Next, let's talk about the sweatpants. I also got these in a size 14. They are like a brown color. They're super cute. I really do like them. I'm just wondering if they're a little bit baggy. These, I think I should have got a size 12, only because we'll get to it. I tried on another pair that were a 12 and they fit really good. But this is quality sweatpants material. And I was thinking about sending these back and getting them in a smaller size, but girl, I can't be bothered with the hassle. And plus they're comfy. They're sweatpants, so they don't have to be super tight or anything like that. But they do have the gathered, cinched, I don't know, ankles, which is definitely cute. You can wear it with boots. I ended up putting on boots in the beginning, but girl, my feet was hurting. I had to take them off. Next, I got the same baby tee, or quarter sleeve tee, I guess, in like a baby blue, which I think Kim wore something kind of exactly like this. Again, I wish I would have got this in a size 16, but it's lightweight. Same info as the one I just gave you. I don't know, even though this is a 14, I feel like it feels comfier than the white one. Isn't that weird? I don't know why, but I like this. I should have kept it on for this part of the video, but that's neither here nor there. Then I also have on the same color sweatpants in blue, and these are a size 14 as well. Again, I wish I would have got a size 12, but it is what it is. Same comfy fit. They're bae. Like, it's sweatpants season. I think that's all I really want and like to wear, so I ain't got no problems with it. So this next outfit disappointed me so much because I just knew that these are size 14. Wish I would have got a size 12. I don't know if this means I'm losing weight, which might be kind of good, but anyways. So I got these in a size 14 and they are baggy, and cycling shorts are not supposed to be baggy. They also have these in white, but I was thinking that my hands might be dirty from like touching my face and stuff like that. So I got them in gray. I actually own a black pair of cycling shorts, so I'll probably just wear these with this top. But yeah, they were baggy, loose fitting, just not cute. But the top, which I didn't know if I was going to be a huge fan of, for some reason I thought the top was longer than it was when I ordered it, and then when I tried it on, it's definitely a crop top, but it's super cute. It's kind of got this like acid wash going on style. Again, super thick and great material for the price. All this stuff is like under 20 pounds. It's got a good v-neck. It's really comfy again, and it's just a cute crop top. You can throw it on with some jeans, some cycling shorts, some leggings. It's everything. So the next thing I got, I tried on, but ain't no way I'm posting this footage, is this top. It is super cute. I love it, but it is just not containing anything, like anything. The color is so cute. I may get my size. This is a UK 16. I didn't want to get a smaller size, but by getting a big size, it's just everything is loose and going everywhere. So I think I don't know. I'm thinking I may just send this back, or I may send it back and get a smaller size and try it again. I don't know. But yeah, it's a cute top for those that want to wear it. My only thing was I was trying to get these quick because they were selling out super fast. Next, I got this brown, it's kind of, I think they call it like a sports bra. Let's see what the tag says. Bralette, brown bralette. And again, I think I got a size 16. No, I got a size 14. I wish I would have got a size 12 because even if I would have got a size 12, it probably wouldn't have been able to hold everything. Does that make sense? It's really cute though. Love the color. You could probably wear this with leggings or maybe like a skirt, high-waisted skirt. I don't know. I love it. I just don't know if I'm bold enough to wear it yet. You know what I mean? And then lastly, I have on this tee. I probably wouldn't pair these together. I'd probably wear this tee with cycling shorts, but just for the sake of this video, I tried it on with these sweatpants that we'll talk about in a second. I love how soft and nice this tee is. It's big, it's oversized, it's really comfy. I got these in a size 16 and I felt like these fitted really tight, kind of tighter than the other ones. I don't know if that's just the material or the style, but again, thick, great quality. I'm so surprised at the quality at these items. I just wouldn't think they'd be like this, but I am shook. Okay, like everything. Anyway, so yeah, that concludes everything that I got from Missguided on my Yeezy season 6 dupe haul. Dang, that's gonna be a long title. Anyways, yeah, that is everything. Thank you guys so much for watching. Always remember to spread love, inspire others, and strive for greatness, and I'll see y'all soon. Bye.